Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today is going to be a review of Discord. You probably know Discord. I'm just going to go through a deep walkthrough of the app because I think there are some other features that you may not know, maybe. Or if anyone that's new to Discord, this could be a very useful tour. So let's get started. So once you start Discord, this is the first thing that you're going to see. This is the home screen basically. So let's start from the left. So of course, the left is a little bit of a small bar. So what you could do here is obviously you got the little icon right here that says home, and then you got all the names of your servers. You could also add a server as well as search for public servers. You can click right here, and of course it's divided into categories, and here are some featured servers, specifically public servers. Now let's say, for example, I want to add a new server. So I just click add a server, and then it's going to tell me create a server, create my own server, or start from a specific template. And yeah, it's just very simple. So let's keep going right, and we'll find this bar now. So this one is where you could start a new conversation. So by type in by starting a search with either one of these. So either a username. So actually, at means usernames and the hashtag means text channels, exclamation mark means voice channels, and this little asterisk I think means servers. So yeah, there we go, like that. And of course, here is our friend section right here. Now, unfortunately, I don't really have that many friends in Discord. And there's also Nitro, Discord Nitro to be specific. I'm just going to disable streamer mode right here. As you can see, here we are. So Discord Nitro it basically gives you more advantages. Like for example, you could have and list them all in here. So these are all the advantages you get once you pay for Discord and Nitro. So you get more emojis, more special stickers, access to special stickers, more backgrounds and stuff like that, which is good as well. And here you got the DM. So these are some of the usernames that I actually at some point had like messaged at some point, and it's going to list them right here. And now let's go down here, in which we will find the name of our self as well as the status. So here's our status. As you can see, there's a little bit of a moon, which means I'm an idle. There you go. I'm an idle. You could change it to online, which will turn it green. Idle, do not disturb, or invisible. And I can also change my you know description. So I'm just gonna leave it online for now. So anyone that actually sees your account will see your status. So somebody that looks at my account will see that I'm online. All right, now let's go back actually to the friends section, and here we have it divided into five sections. So you have the online, you got the all of the friends, you got the pinned friends, you got the blocked friends as well. You can add a friend. So let's add a friend. You just have to type their username, hashtag, and the four numbers. So some pretty simple stuff. If I do it, let's go back to home. Now let's go right here. So this is a little bar that tells you the people that are active now. So as you can see, it's saying it's quiet for now. Not many people are doing things. Let's go here to a new group DM. So if you want to create a new group DM, you could always just tick one of these usernames, and then you could just create a group DM. Easy. And then you could go to the inbox as well to see your mentions. So anyone that mentioned you with an at and then your username, and the ones that are unread that weren't read by you. And of course, you got the help section. Now let's go back down and get to the bar here. Sorry, just kind of forget some features. So as you can see right now on the right, we can either mute our microphone, we could deafen our headphones, and some more user settings. So these are profiles, privacy and safety, a lot of things. I'm just gonna go through the app settings. So the appearance, for example, as you can see, we can do either light, which I'm not gonna use it. Sorry, dark, and sync with computers. So it can actually detect whether or not you're using dark mode or light mode in your computer rather than checking it from these. And of course, you got the message display, so you either got cozy mode or compact mode. And then you got the scales of the chat, so the zoom level, the space between message groups, as well as chat font scaling. I usually just keep these in the default settings because I feel like they're just about right. And for the accessibility, so of course we've got a lot of other settings. I can go through all of them. This video will be way too long. But this stuff is generally pretty normal. I mean, you got the user settings, the billing settings. So these are all the stuff that are related to your subscriptions. So Nitro, subscription, server boost, billing, all the stuff that are related to money. And of course, you got other things like app settings, activity settings, and you could always log out from your account. So that's really what we've got right now. Thank you for watching. Hopefully, you got a little idea of Discord, and I'll see you next time.